Alright, hi guys, this is Snow Cowboys, and this is actually not a snowboarding video, as you can see. We are going to start doing Airsoft videos also, because why not? We like to Airsoft. So, Airsofting in the summer, snowboarding in the winter. So what I have in front of me right now is a Evike swag bag, which does not really look like a bag, as you can see. Weighs over 15 pounds, and from what I can tell, the only thing that could possibly be that would be a Chrono Blaster. So let's open it up. Alright, okay, look at that. Oh yeah, and I also have a banana mag, M4 mag, because why not? Here is, ooh, yes, we did get it. It has to be it because it comes with a sweet license here. Definitely gonna use this. Extra stuff. Alright. Let's get this out of here. Okay, moment of truth. And yes, it is. Oh my god. Okay. Well, this is amazing. Thank you, Evike, so much for this. Oh my god. Okay. Well, anyways, unfortunately, I'm probably not going to keep this, just considering I just got a Crytac last week and I have no use for this. But I will put it up on eBay, or if any of you guys want to put an offer on this thing. So, wow. Okay, well anyways, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.